You are on the 3D Experience platform. This is the place where the XSun startup designed and simulated the SolarXOne drone in 3D. Supported by the 3D Experience Lab acceleration program. SolarXOne. The solar drone in front of you is going to disrupt aerial services. It is a fully autonomous flying machine designed for day and night continuous flight. You're going to experience a virtual takeoff of the SolarXOne. Ready, set, take off.
With XSun, we are trying to design new type of services based on new type of machine, autonomous flying machine. The first one is pipeline monitoring, so infrastructure and network monitoring. Second one is maritime application. Third one is search and rescue, terrestrial application like border control, ESR, intelligent surveillance and recognition.
So in this project we need to simulate different flight condition and physical condition. First of all, we have to maximize the surface for maximizing the energy production. Second of all, we have to have an higher efficiency aerodynamics and structure, so we simulate the aerodynamics around the wing and light structure. Third point, we have to simulate the stability, so the dynamic of the flight, to have a stable flight to operate on all weather conditions.
Creating the best design that is light and cost-effective is vital for this ambitious XSun project. So generative design is actually a way to remove excess material from the parts that exist inside the drone, and we're going to remove that excess material and get design as light as possible.
The structure of the drone is made 100% by composite. The main goal of the design was to minimize the deformation while keeping the structure light. And at the end, the simulation gave us a validation of the strength of the structure during the flight.
We stand here at our ground control station. This is a place where we monitor the drone. We monitor flight parameters. Based on these parameters, we can control remotely the drone. We can operate embedded systems and also payloads such as cameras.
So now you know how the SolarXOne was created. This solar drone can be used for infrastructures and networks, like drone inspection and control of transport and energy networks. For precision agriculture, like field analysis to know the state of your lands and apply the required treatment. For a maritime world, like maritime surveillance and data acquisition by drone to accompany your decision-making. For environment and civil safety, like ground surveillance by drone to manage your environmental risks. XSun, monitoring your world.